Good afternoon, Central Florida. Don Snyder with Evolution Deep Clean. Just some Friday afternoon truck talk. Wrapping up a nice, fun day in the field. The one thing that you'll know if you ever get to know me is that I love my job. I really do. I just feel it's very rewarding to be in trade. And when I was with my customer who had me come all the way out to his place, which was like well over an hour drive, he only wants to deal with me because he knows that I'm going to give the attention. I'm going to work my tail off. I'm going to do what I can. And he asked me again about my story, so I shared it with him. And he was like, you need to let other people know. I was like, you know what? I think you're right. So here it goes. Here's my story. Right out of high school, I worked for Delta Airlines. I was on the tarmac, loading and unloading planes, parking them, and whatnot. And right out of high school, that's a lot of fun. I love doing that part right there. And I decided to further my career in aviation by going in the Marine Corps because it was also a good college experience. And I finished my degree, which I wound up changing it to aeronautical science with a minor in safety and business. And I was on my way to officer candidate school, but I hurt my back and shoulder. I was having a hard time doing maintenance, and then couldn't stay in the Marine Corps because of it. And went and worked for Gulfstream, and I was having a hard time keeping up because the same thing, my back and shoulder. It was just not pleasant. So wound up moving to Florida to help out one of my lifelong friends with an aviation marketing firm. And I was also getting burned out because of my limitations. And, on top of that, the firm, I'm not a desk jockey. I tried it for a couple of years. I wound up taking a part-time job selling cleaning equipment. It was like my first real sales job, and then I was like, this is what I found what I really want to do, and what I really need to do with my life, which was getting involved in service and cleaning. And the cleaning industry does not bother my back and shoulder, of all things. So I wound up getting started with the work, and the best part was that I was having the feeling that I accomplished something on a daily basis. I mean, when I take the worst and make it look the best again, and the people's eyes bug out of their head, it's like, yes, I did my job, rock on. And I was like, all right, so my motivation's back. I'm loving life again, and that's what I would love to do. I'm out here for you. Everybody deserves a clean, healthy, beautiful environment. I mean, that makes you more happy and productive. And so being part of that is like one of the best things in the world. It doesn't matter about the stressors of the day and all that. When you come home to a nice, beautiful home, it makes what you do in life much more enjoyable. And then, of course, in the bit, and when where you're working, I mean, nobody wants to work at a dump, and that's why people like calling me, because I prevent their place to look like a dump. It doesn't matter what kind of floor you have. Every once in a while, you will need a deep clean. Same thing with your furniture, and even exterior areas. So that's what we're about. That's why we're Evolution, because people's needs changes, but deep cleaning does not. Everyone will need a deep clean. So that's me. That's who I am, and I hope that sheds some light, because the people who work with me, they all feel the same way. Because birds of a feather flock together, my friend. And I hope you all take care, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you soon. God bless.